Hello everyone. In our previous video, we understand that how to add elements to a linked list. So you know this program already. See here how we have defined the linked list or that particular string, and I have named it as subjects, and then defined the new linked list, and then we will be able to add using add method. So all required elements can be added using this method, and finally we have printed this one. So how can we achieve the same thing using list iterator method? So which is a built-in package. So now we are going to see how to do that. So to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new class. Let's create a new class and then name the class as example list, and then click on public static void main and click on finish. So now what I wanted to do is I wanted to define an array list. So that is we already know the syntax of how to define an array list, and I'll be writing the same name subjects. Just take the subjects here and then you need to make sure that you're writing the syntax properly, and then is equal to define the new array list. Okay. Once you are done with it, close the required brackets, and you can see here it is showing an error, that is a warning. What you have to do, if you put the cursor there, automatically it will show you. So you need to import the package, that is array list package. Just import that package. The package got imported, and then now what we are going to do is we wanted to define the list iterator. List iterator, same way how you have defined the array, the same way you are going to have the syntax, but slight change. So list iterate is equal to, from where you wanted to iterate, that is your array, that is subjects dot list iterator. So you have to write this, and once you have completed that, you can add all the required elements. So if you see here, again you need to import something. So click on that, automatically will say list iterator needs to be imported. Import both the required packages, and finally what you're going to do is you are going to add the values. So take this list iterator and then add the values. Dot, there is a add method, and I'm writing like same courses or languages you can write. So Java I have written, and then again you add it, and you can write it as Python. And also if you wanted to add one more language, make it as something like C++. So like that you can define all the required values, whatever you wanted to add them, and finally you can print it using system.println statement. System.println statement, and then your linked list, whatever you are going to present, linked list. So I want you to put this text into double quotes, and then plus what is your linked list, that is your subjects. Subjects is your value which you are going to print. Now run and see. You should have Java, Python and C++ in the linked list using your list iterator method. So this is how you will make use of this list iterator and add the elements to the linked list. The same thing can be achieved using linked list method also. So you can do in both the ways.